Guava juice is a refreshing drink made from the pulp of the guava fruit, a fruit naturally rich in vitamin C, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and a variety of plant compounds that support normal physiological functions. When guava juice enters the mouth, enzymes in the saliva begin breaking down its natural sugars and fibers. As the juice reaches the stomach, acids and digestive enzymes continue processing its carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Guava juice is especially known for its high vitamin C content. In fact, fresh guava fruit contains significantly more vitamin C per gram than oranges. This vitamin plays an essential role in supporting immune function, collagen formation, and normal antioxidant activity. The juice also supplies small amounts of potassium, vitamin A, folate, and polyphenols, compounds that have been studied for their ability to help protect cells from oxidative stress. As digestion continues in the small intestine, nutrients from guava juice are absorbed through the intestinal walls. Natural sugars provide quick energy, while antioxidants and vitamin C enter the bloodstream and travel to tissues throughout the body. The fiber present in guava can support normal digestive movement. Although juicing typically reduces the total fiber content compared to the whole fruit, guava juice may support general hydration and contributes to overall nutrient intake, especially for people who do not consume enough vitamin C-rich fruits. Some studies suggest that guava's plant compounds, such as lycopene and quercetin, may play a role in reducing oxidative damage in cells. These effects are part of the body's natural processes and do not act as cures for medical conditions. However, like all fruit juices, guava juice contains natural sugars. Drinking it in large amounts may contribute to increased calorie intake or temporary rises in blood glucose for some individuals, especially those with insulin sensitivity or diabetes. People who are sensitive or allergic to guava may experience reactions such as itching, swelling, or digestive discomfort. Because juicing concentrates the fruit, some individuals may also experience mild stomach irritation if consumed on an empty stomach. Overall, guava juice is a flavorful source of hydration and nutrients when enjoyed in moderation. It offers genuine nutritional benefits, especially vitamin C and antioxidants, while also carrying the same considerations as any naturally sweet fruit juice. As part of a balanced diet, it can complement whole fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods to support general health and well-being.